In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Omnisend templates. First, open your browser and search for Omnisend. From the results, pick the official Omnisend website, usually the top result, with the correct domain. Once you're on the site, look for Log In at the top and sign in using your account credentials. That will drop you into your dashboard. From here, move over to the Automation tab. Automation is where Omnisend lets you send the right message at the right time without manual effort. So this is the perfect place to start with templates. Click. Create workflow to open the gallery. You'll see ready-made options designed for common goals, like welcoming new subscribers, recovering abandoned carts, re-engaging inactive customers, and more. Choose the template that matches the outcome you want. Picking a template that aligns with your objective will save setup time and keep your flow organized. Next, click Customize Workflow to open the editor. This is your canvas. You'll see the trigger at the top and the steps that follow. Templates come pre-built, but everything is adjustable to fit your brand and timing. Add your channels where they make sense. For email, update the subject, sender name, and content so it reflects your voice and product imagery. For SMS, keep messages short and actionable, and only send to contacts who have consented. For push notifications, use concise copy and a clear call to action. Using multiple channels can boost reach, but keep frequency balanced to avoid fatigue. Now arrange your flow actions. Insert a delay to give customers time between steps. Think hours for reminders or a day or two for follow-ups. Use tag contacts to add labels based on behavior so you can understand who engaged later. Add a split to branch the path based on conditions, like whether someone opened an email or made a purchase. If you want to compare two versions of a message or timing, set up A/B testing within the flow and let performance decide the winner. Keep your paths clear and purposeful so each customer experiences a logical journey. When everything looks right, choose how to finish. Click Save and Close. If you want to pause here and return later, or select Start Workflow to activate it. Before starting, quickly review the trigger, sending times, and any channel-specific settings to make sure they match your goals. That's it. Your Omnisend template is now working for you.